Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add credit card to TicketMaster. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your desired browser. Then make sure you're logged in or signed in to your TicketMaster account. Then tap on My Account after entering your credentials. Over here you can see the option of My Profile. Then tap on Billing Information. There you can see the option of Buy Credit Card Tickets. There you can see the option of Add Debit Card, Credit Card. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of Name on Card. Fill in all the details required over here. Name on the card, card number, expiry date of the card, and your country, your address, address line 1, address line 2, your city, your state, your postal code, your phone number, and make sure you tick all the options given over here to add your new card to your TicketMaster account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.